Given less than 30 days notice to move out of their homes, some seniors say they're facing being unhoused. It is our top story tonight at 6. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sherry Jones.
And I'm Siobhan Klepfer. It's a frightening thought for many of those now forced to leave a senior living community in Shiawassee County.
Now, we first told you about the situation at Fiddler's Green in Corona yesterday on 6 News at 6. Seniors there were given less than a month to pack up and find a new place to live.
And now they are scrambling to find some sort of shelter. Rachel Ramsey continues her reporting on this. Rachel?
Yeah, Sherry, Siobhan, I was actually able to get my hands on the letter residents say they got telling them they have to move. It was sent out August 7th and says people have until the 31st to leave. That is less than 30 days, which an attorney I spoke with says is generally not the standard.
I'm homeless. 72 years old and I'm homeless. I just don't have nowhere to go.
Since finding out she has less than 30 days to move out of Fiddler's Green Senior Community in Corona, Kathy Thomas says she does not know what to do.
They don't care about me over there. I just want somewhere to go. Somebody can help me stay in a motel until they figure out what I'm going to do, get some money. I don't even have money to eat on right now.
A letter from management claims that if the business is stopping operations, it can ask people to leave with just 5 days notice. But I spoke with an attorney who says if it is a common tenant-landlord agreement, then
provided that these people are not late with their monthly payments, they would be required to be served with what we call a 30-day notice to quit. That's generally how these things work.
David Sobel says he would need to see the contract the resident signed to be for sure, and only a judge can truly say if a contract is legal. But
generally speaking, a provision in a contract doesn't make it valid. Even this institution, even this landlord cannot just forcibly remove these people. They would have to go through the court system.
For Kathy, she says she doesn't have the money to fight this and needs the community's help.
I always think about getting a tenant, in a backyard or something, but I can't do that. I have health issues. I don't like to ask for money, but at this right now I do need money. I gotta live. What am I gonna do?
Fiddler's Green did release a statement saying they are looking for places for the seniors to go, but Kathy says most of the places there have long wait lists. I reached out to the senior community management to ask about giving 30 days notice, but we have not heard back yet. And the attorney I spoke with reminds everyone to keep track of all of the documents you sign. Back to you.